How I draw side profiles without guidelines. Start off with a sideways, oval, acting as the crane. The forehead will follow the guideline. After the brow bone is defined, the nose and mouth will guide away from guideline. Yet how to explain? Remember, nobody's facial structure is the same. This means some people's foreheads will be rounder, flatter, have different brow bones, jaw, structures, etc. I didn't really explain how to draw the facial features, so I'm going to be doing a more in-depth tutorial